Understanding age of consent laws.
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on age of consent laws. In today's video, we'll be discussing the legal age of consent in different parts of the world, with a specific focus on the situation between a 17-year-old and a 19-year-old. The age of consent is a crucial concept in law, as it determines the legality of sexual activities between individuals of varying ages.
What is the age of consent?
Age of consent refers to the legally defined age at which a person is considered mature enough to agree to sexual activity. It varies globally and can range from as low as 12 to as high as 21, depending on cultural, societal, and legal factors in each jurisdiction. In most places, the age of consent falls somewhere between 16 and 18.
Why does the age of consent matter?
The age of consent is essential because it helps to protect younger individuals from sexual exploitation and abuse. A person below the age of consent is legally considered too young to consent to sexual activities. If an adult engages in sexual activity with someone below the age of consent, this is generally considered a crime, often referred to as statutory rape.
The age of consent for a 17 and 19-year-old.
The legality of a sexual relationship between a 17-year-old and a 19-year-old depends on the age of consent in the particular jurisdiction where they reside. For example, in the majority of U.S. states, the age of consent is 16, which would make such a relationship legal. In some states like California, however, the age of consent is 18, which would make the relationship potentially illegal if the younger party is not yet 18. In Canada, the age of consent is 16, but there are close in age exemptions for sexual activity between young people who are close in age to each other. In many European countries like Germany, Austria, and Denmark, the age of consent is 14, but there can be restrictions if the older partner manipulates the younger one into the activity. It is crucial to research and understand the specific age of consent laws in your jurisdiction. In conclusion, the age of consent is a critical legal concept that helps protect young individuals from exploitation. It varies significantly worldwide, and the legality of a relationship between a 17-year-old and a 19-year-old depends on the specific laws where they live. Always be aware of the age of consent in your area, as ignorance of the law is not typically a defense in court. Always respect consent and remember that it must be freely given, informed, and ongoing, regardless of age. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative.